Do you want your plastic surgery procedure to go as smoothly as possible? Well, I've got 10 insider tips that I personally recommend to ensure that your procedure is a success. I'm Dr. Stile, and if you're thinking about getting plastic surgery, you should know that a successful procedure doesn't just depend on the surgeon. It's a partnership. In this video, I'm sharing 10 tips I've learned over the last 20 years to help you have the best experience possible. Here's the thing, surgery can be a life-changing decision, and a lot of people think the procedure itself is the hardest part. The truth is, getting ready for the surgery, understanding the process, and following through with your post-operative care can make or break your results. So how do you ensure everything goes right? Tip number 1. Schedule a detailed consultation with me. Our consultation is your time to ask questions and for me to answer every question, big or small. I want to know what your goals are, and you should know everything about the procedure. The more we communicate, the better the results will be. Tip number 2, be clear about what you want. I can help you achieve your desired look, but I need to understand your expectations clearly. Whether you want a subtle change or something more dramatic, making sure that we're on the same page from the start is important. Tip number 3, follow your pre-op instructions. I'll give you specific instructions before your surgery to ensure that you're in the best possible shape for your procedure. Whether it's stopping certain medications or supplements or avoiding food before surgery, please follow these instructions carefully. Tip number 4, prepare for your recovery in advance. The recovery process is just as important as the surgery itself. I'll give you all the information you need, but make sure you're ready. Arrange for help at home and childcare if necessary. Stock up on the essentials and create a comfortable recovery space. Number 5, understand what you're getting into. We'll talk about the potential risks and realistic expectations for your results. I always want you to be fully informed, so there are no surprises. Remember, plastic surgery is an art, and it's important that we go in with a clear vision of what we can achieve together. Tip number 6, give yourself time to think. Don't rush into surgery. After our consultation, take some time to think it over. Seeing other doctors may also be helpful as well. I want you to be 100% comfortable and ready before making any decisions. Tip number 7, be honest about your health. I need to know everything about your health, including pre-existing conditions, allergies, or medications. The better I understand your health, the safer your surgery will be. Tip number 8, please trust my expertise. You've chosen me because you trust my skills and experience. If I recommend a certain approach or procedure, trust that I'm doing it for your best interest and ultimately the best results. Tip number 9, plan for the costs. Our patient coordinator will give you a breakdown of everything involved in the cost of your surgery. Make sure you're prepared for both the cost of the surgery itself and any post-op care you may need. Transparency is key to a smooth process. And finally, tip number 10, commit to post-op care. The aftercare is really where the magic happens. Follow my post-op instructions, attend follow-up appointments, and ask questions if anything feels off. I'll be with you every step of the way to ensure that the best healing process occurs. Here's the most important thing. Remember, the success of your surgery starts long before the operating room. By preparing, being honest, and working with me every step of the way, we are setting up for the best possible results. So, from the initial consultation to post-op recovery, these 10 tips are designed to make your journey with me as smooth and successful as possible. Remember, the more we collaborate, the better your outcome. If you're ready to take the next step with me, call us at 702-243-9555 to schedule your consultation today. Until then, be well.